I am in my backyard. I had a hunch and I followed it. So these were Klimes hardy gardenias. And my hunch was that they were like big. They were probably 5 foot tall. And I chopped them to the ground. So this was my hunch. What will happen if I leave a branch? See this and see that branch? See this one right here? This is a branch. And see this one right here? No branch. So my hypothesis was that if I leave branches, this is going to have energy producers, photosynthetic material that will feed the new growth in these two. And the idea is this one is producing new leaves only based on the carbohydrates stored up in the system. But these have little factories, also known as leaves, that will produce energy for new growth. So if you look at it, look at how much new growth is here, look at how much new growth is here, and look at how much new growth is here. I would say my hypothesis is accurate, which is if you leave this new growth, it will produce more carbohydrates, which fuels recovery more quickly. So if I were going to do something like right here, this camellia used to come up to about here, and I cut it, but I left this old branch so that this photosynthetic material can fuel this new growth right here. That was my hypothesis. Now, once this fills out, this looks a little bit weird. I'm going to cut it too. But if, let's say you have to go somewhere where you're going to really cut a tree, you're going to severely prune a tree, leave some branches so that it can quickly refuel new growth on that tree. That's the idea. So there you have it. Proof is in the not so fancy experiment that I just did.